In this video, let me show how you can quickly convert your video into a SCORM package that works with any learning management system. To get started, visit VideoToSCORM.online. First, upload your video file. Next, configure your SCORM settings. Choose how course completion should be tracked. Select the SCORM version. You can also disable the video seek bar if needed. Once everything is set, click the Convert to SCORM button. VideoToSCORM will automatically generate your SCORM package. After the conversion is complete, you can download the zip file to your device. For your privacy and security, all uploaded videos and generated files are automatically deleted from our servers after the conversion process is completed. That's it. Your video is now a fully trackable SCORM package. Save time and simplify e-learning creation with VideoToSCORM. Visit VideoToSCORM.online to get started.